The Dutch oven is one of the most versatile tools in the kitchen. From one-pot meals to baking bread, or even deep frying, the Dutch oven is essential to any serious kitchen. But we wanted to take it to the next level and create the ultimate Dutch oven. Introducing the prepped Dutch oven, a reinvented classic that can do it all. Unlike traditional cast iron, ours is polished smooth and meticulously seasoned so that it's naturally non-stick without any artificial coatings or enamels. The prepped Dutch oven is the most versatile pot you will ever use, allowing you to create incredible flavors and cook on any surface. It can go straight from the stove to the oven to the table. It's the only pot you'll ever need. The prepped Dutch oven has incredible heat retention and distribution, so you can sear meat, braise, fry, and bake sourdough with unbeatable results. But unlike enamel cast iron, our Dutch oven can handle extreme heat, so you can use it on the campfire, making it the perfect companion for your next outdoor adventure. When you cook with the prepped Dutch oven, it will always draw a crowd, and that's a good thing because it's perfect for cooking meals for the whole family or a group of friends, and when you do, they won't forget it. We've also created an innovative grill lid with polished smooth grill lines so you can bring the barbecue indoors and get those beautiful grill marks without any sticking. The grill lid also means you can cook multiple dishes at once or keep the lid on to seal in the flavors. With the prepped Dutch oven, we've meticulously designed every detail and taken our manufacturing techniques to another level. First, we melt the iron at 2,800 degrees and cast it into this beautiful, minimal form. Then, we polish the inside cooking surface until it's perfectly smooth, using our extensive machining and polishing process. Finally, we season it with multiple layers of grapeseed oil to create an incredibly smooth, naturally non-stick cooking surface that will stand up to any challenge, and it will last a lifetime. And because we use only natural finishes, there's no enameled coating that can chip away or degrade over time. The prepped Dutch oven is only available on Kickstarter for a limited time, and at these incredible prices, it's less than half the cost of any other premium cast iron. And in our testing, nothing else comes close to its performance. We can't wait to get this incredible product into your hands, but we need your support. So please back us and take your cooking to the next level.